Okay, we will answer this one. Find the product of the quantity of 3x plus 1 times the quantity of x minus 2. So, ang gagawin natin dito, we have to apply FOIL method. So, ano yung FOIL? Ito yung first, outer, inner, and last. Okay, so first muna tayo. Yan, multiply natin yan. 3x times x, that is 3x squared. Okay, then outer, si 3x, multiply natin kay negative 2, so that is negative 6x. Then inner, si positive 1, multiply natin kay x, so that is positive x. Then last, si 1, multiply natin kay negative 2, so that is negative 2. Okay, then simplify natin. 3x squared, kopyahin natin yan. Ito, simplify natin yan. Negative 6x plus x, so this is negative 5x. Then, kopyahin natin yung negative 2. Okay, so sa choices natin, letter B is the correct answer.